Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about money. Specifically, let's talk about Chime. You've probably seen those sleek black cards floating around, right? Maybe you even have one. But have you ever stopped to wonder, hey, what bank is actually behind this thing? I mean, Chime isn't your typical bank, right? No branches, fancy lobbies, or tellers handing out candy. It's all digital, all the time. So, where does your money actually live? Is it safe? And what does that mean for you? Let's break it down. Chime isn't a bank in the traditional sense. It's actually a financial technology company, often called a fintech. But here's the kicker: to offer banking services, fintechs need to partner with actual banks. This is where it gets interesting. Chime primarily partners with two banks, the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. These are FDIC-insured banks, which means your money is protected up to $250,000. So, while you're interacting with Chime, it's actually these banks that are holding your cash. But what does this mean for you? Well, it means your money is safe. You get the benefits of a digital-first banking experience with the security of a traditional bank. Plus, Chime offers some pretty cool perks like fee-free overdraft, early direct deposit, and a growing ATM network. Now, you might be wondering, why would I choose Chime over a traditional bank? That's a great question. For starters, Chime is designed to be simpler. No hidden fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a user-friendly app. It's perfect for people who want to manage their money on the go. But it's not for everyone. If you prefer face-to-face interactions with a banker or need a physical branch location, then a traditional bank might be a better fit. So, to recap, Chime is a fintech that partners with traditional banks to offer banking services. Your money is FDIC insured, and you get the perks of a digital-first experience. Whether or not it's the right choice for you depends on your personal banking needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.